With Dataflow Workspace, it's easy to manage virtually any type of information. Whether you're tracking customer data, managing purchase requests, logging conversations with your contact list, or juggling the logistics of one of the largest music festivals in the world, Dataflow Workspace is the perfect platform for managing and sharing your information in a secure online environment. Here's an example of a contact and customer management system. Notice how I can click on customers and bring up my customer list, and how I can easily sort, rearrange, and filter the information that appears on my screen. Let's perform a quick search for all of the active customers in the system. Now let's clear this search and let's look for a specific customer so I can access their contract, which is stored in the system. Let's do a quick search for Dataflow Enterprises. Now let's click on the customer contract link in order to download and view the customer's contract. With Dataflow Workspace, it's easy to manage and share information, including documents and files, with any member of your team who has an internet connection, regardless of whether they're using a Mac or a PC. Now let's have a look at the Contacts section of this example. Notice how it brings up my contact list and how I can select the contact to view their details. This form contains fields to manage basic contact data. And notice the activity log where I can track all correspondence with this contact, including the activities of my office associates. Now let's imagine that we want to make some changes to my contact form. Let's go into Application Setup mode and access the Form Designer. And let's make some basic changes to this form by rearranging and adding some fields. Let's make the Notes field smaller. Let's move the Email field. Notice how easy it is to move and rearrange these fields using the drag and drop interface. Now let's add a field here. Make it a bit smaller to fit. Let's add one additional text field here. Now let's rename the first field Phone-Mobile, and let's rename the second field Email to. Now let's stretch this field out just a bit, and just like that, we've edited this web form so that any user who logs into this web form via their web browser will see the changes we've made. So let's access the Contacts section, open a contact, and now we can add a mobile phone number or a second email address. With Dataflow, it's easy to create and customize your web solutions using our intuitive drag and drop design tools, which means you can rapidly develop and deploy custom solutions that are tailored to your business's needs. Next, let's have a look at document creation. In this example, we're looking at a form that contains information about a contractor or someone who's been hired for a specific project. In this section of the form, we have a set of fields set up to store the contract details for this particular contractor. Now, with just the click of a button, we can generate a PDF document that pulls information directly from our form into a document that uses your company's specific contract design. Finally, let's look at automated email integration. In this example, we're looking at a form that's set up to track the details of a hotel assignment, with fields to track things like check-in and check-out dates, room type, hotel name, confirmation number, etc. Now, with just a click of a button, we can instantly deliver an email that goes to an email address designated within the form. And now we can go check my email inbox. We see we've just received an email that contains confirmation details based on the information entered into the Workspace form. Dataflow Workspace is a perfect solution for your business application needs. With just a few easy steps, you can implement a custom-tailored solution within your organization where anyone on your team can have controlled access to all of your information in real time from any computer with an internet connection. Save countless hours with automated document and email creation, and take control of your information by consolidating your business's spreadsheets, Google Docs, and other antiquated database solutions. Click on one of the buttons below, or call or email now to set up a quick interactive demonstration of Dataflow Workspace.